In this video, we are going to talk about how to determine blood type using the ABO locus, MN locus, and the RH locus. After this video, you should be able to understand the ABO blood type locus, A being the red ball, B being the blue ball, and O being the white ball. Use the RH locus to determine a blood match, which can be plus or minus. Use the MN locus to determine a blood match. And understand all three allele relationships and use them to determine who could be parents or who could be the father of a child using these three loci. Now, let's do some learning. Before discussing the loci, we must first define codominance so we can understand the relationship of the alleles. Codominance is when both alleles are expressed in the heterozygote. We can understand this further by first explaining the ABO blood type locus. A and B are codominant to each other. A and B are both dominant to O. O is recessive to both A and B. There are 4 phenotypes. Type A has the genotypes AA and AO. Type B has the genotypes BB or BO. Type AB has the genotype AB due to codominance. And type O has the genotype OO, where A or B cannot be given to someone with blood type O, yet any other type can receive an O. Now, we should do an example using these styrofoam balls to help us. Suppose a couple is planning to have children. Mom has the blood type AB and dad has the blood type BO. What would the possible blood types of their children be, and in what frequency? Hint, hint, Punnett square. If you solve this using the Punnett square, you should get the ratio 1AB, 1BB, 1AO, and 1BO. Let's try another one. Suppose a mother has a blood phenotype B and has an AB child. What can the father's blood type be? Using what we learned, the blood type of the father can be AA, AO, or AB. RH locus is easy to understand. The positive allele is dominant to the negative allele. The only way for someone to have a negative blood type is for both parents to be negative. Codominance is also seen in the MN locus. Both alleles M and N are codominant. Type M phenotype is composed of MM alleles. Type N phenotype is composed of NN alleles. And type MN phenotype has a genotype MN. Now that we have went through each locus, let's recall what we have learned. For the ABO locus, A and B are codominant to each other. A and B are dominant to O. For the MN locus, M and N are codominant to each other. For the RH locus, RH positive is dominant to RH negative. It is time to practice an example using all three relationships. Which couple can be the parents for a baby whose phenotype is MNB-? A, MO plus and MB plus. B, MO minus and NB minus. C, NA minus and MB plus. Or D, none of these. Option B is correct because both parents have RH negative, which is passed down to the baby only if both parents are RH negative. They also pass down M and N alleles, which give the baby type MN. Since one of the parents is type O at the blood locus, the other parent's B allele will automatically be seen because B is dominant to O. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.